Good evening, and thanks for watching this video. Tonight I'm back in my photo hide along the shoreline. I'm not sure if you have seen my other videos about this photo hide. One was about how I built it, and the other one was when I'm using it. Unfortunately, I just used it once after I built it, and the main reason is that I didn't want to disturb the birds. We have some bird boxes to the left and to the right of this photo hide, and when the seagulls laying on their eggs have the small chicks, I just don't want to get down here and disturb the birds. So that means that I keep away from this photo hide mostly during the summer season. Now we are at the end of the summer, beginning of autumn. The bird boxes are empty, so I plan to use this photo hide a little bit more often than I've done during the summer. And the main reason using this photo hide in autumn and winter is hopefully to get the white-head eagle in front of my camera. What I've done now is that I have a fish connected to a wood, which I lay down along the shoreline between some rocks, put some heavier rocks on this wood, so if the white-head eagle lands in front of my photo hide, he's not just able to pick up the fish and fly away, but has to stay in front of my photo hide, and I hopefully are able to get some videos and some images. So if it works out, I'm not sure. We'll see tomorrow morning. I also put out some bread, and I found some old cheese which wasn't good anymore, cut it to pieces and lay around. So I hope then to attract some crows, maybe the magpie, a seagull, and if they come and make a lot of noise, this very often attract the eagle, and then if the eagle may see the fish, he may land just in front of my photo hide. We will see what happens tomorrow morning. Now it's, let me see, 11:36 p.m. So for me it's now time to get back in my sleeping bag, get a few hours sleep, so I'm fresh when the light get up again, when the sun comes up, and I get some photo light and see if I get some action. So please stay with me and see you tomorrow morning. There's a lot of bird activity, but everything is to the left, nothing in front of my photo hide. Good morning. Now it's 4:30 a.m. and I got woke up by a lot of noise. To the left of my photo hide there's some fields, so there were a few grey geese, and they make a lot of noise, and they even flew over my photo hide, but nothing happened in front of my photo hide. So still the fish is there, the bread there. Oh, there's a crow. Okay, now it looked like that the birds get more and more active. So I hope that they of the wild discover the fish and the bread and landing in front of my photo hide. What I'm now hoping for is that the seagulls, hopefully the crows, maybe some magpies, just sitting down here in front of my photo hide, start eating from the bread and from the fish, make a lot of noise. If there are white-headed eagle here close by and sees that there are a lot of birds and eating something, the white-headed eagle might come. So right now it's just a waiting game. Absolutely amazing. There was so much bird life around my photo hide on the left and the right, but nothing happened in front. And then this small, this family of red-breasted MERGANSER were passing by very fast, and I just was able to do a small video, and then they were gone. And then they come back, and now they're just sitting in front of my photo hide on a rock, and everyone is resting and sleeping. Absolutely amazing. I thought today probably I won't be able to get any images, but now I have this small family. That's really nice. Look at this small family. There they are. They're really calm and sleeping, not aware of that I'm just sitting 4 meters from them. Oh, that's so beautiful.
this is so amazing. There's small chicks sitting close together in a group, sleeping and cleaning their feathers. But when they need to take a shit, they take some steps out of the group, take the shit, and then getting back to into the group.
The fish is gone, so the seagulls done a really great job, but no white-tailed eagle today. I'm not sure why the white-tailed eagle didn't show up. Mainly I always see the white-tailed eagle, but I haven't seen the white-tailed eagle at all. He might sit on a higher ground and watch what the seagulls do here, but the white-headed eagle wasn't really interested in the fish today. But anyway, I'm really happy because I got this really nice Merganser family, which just resting on the stone in front of my photo height, and they were for probably here 30 minutes or so. So that was really nice. I really enjoyed it, just watching them. They were so calm, cleaning the feathers, sleeping, absolutely beautiful. And they just were sitting 4 meters in front of me. Absolutely amazing. And then the seagulls arrived, which they scared away the merganser, and then everything got really crazy. They make so much noise, this seagulls, and then because of this noise I was hoping to see the white-headed eagle. The white-headed eagle will came in front of my photo height, but not today. So, but anyway, I'm happy, and now I will pack up my things and get back to the cabin. So I hope you like this video. If please feel free to comment or hit the like button. Every comment is very highly appreciated. So thanks again for watching, and I hopefully see you again. Bye.